Renewal by Andersen.
I put off replacing my old, inefficient windows for years. It can be tricky, hiring contractors, choosing the right windows, and getting them properly installed. I wanted the job done fast, and I wanted it done right. So I called these guys, the experts at Renewal by Andersen. They have the full package, a legendary quality product installed by experts with a great warranty. Best of all for me, they can be in and out in less than 1 day.
Plus, this month, enter their open house drawing for a $4,000 entry door and save $150 off each window and $300 off each patio door.
I heard that over 98% of Renewal by Andersen customers are happy with the experience. And happy's good.
Visit them at their Waukesha showroom Saturday, October 6th from 9 to 4.
Renewal